I am playing Minecraft Pocket Edition today. I am going to my world. I am right here. So I am making a house with TNT. So I want to show my friend, like I want to trick somebody. Like say go in and they really want to see what's in there. It's a trick, like it's gonna be a TNT in there. I'll make it small because my friend said this. A trick, no, get out from here, pigs. Get out fast, or I'm gonna. The pig out here. Don't worry, guys. They'll get out later because I will kill them with my bomb. I will shoot on her. I will shoot their shot. One got the baby. See? I got them. First of all, I forgot to bring something like this one. Yeah, this one. Let me check. No, it's not this one. Yeah, I like to build like TNT with myself, like no helps. But my cousin Jimmy and my cousin Kosh helps me sometimes. And my cousin Beacon. And my friend Benisha helps me build. And Prasant, my cousin Prasant. And my other cousin Nitesh, the Prasant's brother, helped me to build this house. Help me. And they're at home today, and I might go to their house later.
Yeah, honey.
Oh, sorry guys, my mom had just talked. I'm sorry guys, so I'm just gonna. Oh, sorry guys, she said what you want to eat. Mom, I'm making a video. I'm sorry, I can't eat right now. I tell her now. Yeah, guys. I love this. I love it. I love this. I love it. Oh, yeah. Now I just go to dirt spot, just edit 2 doors like one. They really want to see what's in there. But I'm gonna dare people to go with me and go in there. Like my friends, like with it, like, and I'm gonna go to survival, and I'm gonna tell them to go in a small house. So I just can't.